Hello friends, welcome to krishnastechinfo. In this video we can see about screen command. Screen command is mainly used to run multiple cell sessions in a single SSH session. So we can run background jobs using the screen command. So in this video we can see how to install the screen command in both CentOS and Ubuntu. So to first install the screen command, you can use the yum install screen. Now give enter. Now give S to download and install the package. So now the package is successfully installed. So now we can run the screen command, screen -ls. This command is used to list all your screen. Currently there is no screens that are running, so now we can create a screen now using the screen command, screen -s -S, which is used to name your session. So I'm going to give transfer. So I'm going to transfer a file from this CentOS machine to a Ubuntu machine. So I'm going to name it as transfer. So now give enter. So here I have a CentOS ISO image. So I'm going to rsync it to the Ubuntu machine. Now I'm going to transfer this file to Ubuntu machine. So now we can see the transfer is started. If you want to run this in the background, you can just press Ctrl A plus D to detach the screen. So if I give the screen -ls, now you can see the screen that is running 4202.transfer, which is the screen that we have created now. So now it is detached. So to detach, you can use the Ctrl A plus D to detach the screen. So you can also use the -D option to detach, screen -D space the screen name. You can use that to detach from the screen. So the next command, so if you want to reattach to the running screen, you can use the screen -R and the name of the screen that you have given. So now we can see now it is returned to the screen. So you can use the Ctrl A D option to detach. Now we can see it, now it is detached from the transfer session. So in this way you can create a new session, can run background jobs or any commands using the screen. So you can create multiple cell session using the screen command. Next we can see the screen installation in Ubuntu. So now I am in Ubuntu machine. So now we can see how to install this in Ubuntu. So you can use the command apt-get install screen. Now give enter. Now give S to download and install the packages. Now the screen installation is completed. So we can run the screen -ls to list. Now currently there is no screen jobs here. So you can use the same commands which we saw earlier to create the screen. If you run the screen -help, you can see all the options that are available in this screen command. So these are the options that you can use in the screen. So you can see the detach option, -D to detach and -R to reattach the screen. So you have multiple options for the screen command. You can use this to run your background jobs. You can also use this to create multiple cell sessions. So in this video we saw how to install screen command on Linux on both CentOS and Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.